What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So here is my Instagram. So just go to more button and click right now on settings. Inside settings you will find account center. Click on account center right now and go here to the last option, manage accounts. Click on it like this and you will find here your account. Click on manage. Click on the activation or deletion, and we want right now to delete our account. Choose delete account option, click continue and write your password right now. Next, click on continue and choose the reason why do you want to delete your Instagram account. For example, just I need a break or privacy. For example, I would choose this. Click on continue and click continue and click also continue. And then click on delete account, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.